more, but we cannot use it. So today I'm going to show you what are the utensils that I use in my kitchen, how do I use it, why I use it, and what I use it for. Let's begin. Talking about cookware, I believe any Indian kitchen will be complete from pressure cooker, kadai, and tawa. We practically use these on a daily basis. Let's talk about the kadai. I use this kadai for making vegetables, deep frying, sauteing, or even making breakfast like poha, upma, or basically I even use it for making pasta, sauces, and this stainless steel kadai from Meyer is a tri-ply which has even thickness which allows you to cook even. Acts like non-stick so your dishes does not stick to the bottom. It becomes very handy since it has silicone handles and it does not becomes hot and you can hold it firmly and easily while cooking it. It also comes with a glass lid so that you do not have to remove the lid over and again. You can just see through the glass while your dish is cooking. The best part I love about this stainless steel kadai is since stainless steel preserves the nutrients so you do not have to transfer the dishes later on after cooking. Unlike iron or peetal, which the dishes get oxidized. So you can even use this as a sum. I often use iron kadai for deep frying, but if you are looking for cookware in your kitchen, this stainless steel kadai from Meyer does the job. Moving on to the next most used cookware in my kitchen is pressure cooker. I use the stainless steel pressure cooker almost on a daily basis. I use this for cooking pulses, legumes, making pulaus, khichdi. We love eating pulao, dal chawal, khichdi, which is not only light on stomach but super easy and quick to make. And this pressure cooker makes it easier to do it very well. Since I avoid using aluminum in my kitchen, I use this stainless steel pressure cooker, which is a sandwich pressure cooker, which means it has a thicker bottom, but the sides are not as thick as the bottom. But it does the job pretty good as well. It also comes along with a glass lid, so you can even use it as a kadai at times. Our family loves eating idli dosa during meetings. Not only eating, we love to cook and feed each other during meetings. We all love to cook dosas. Particularly my husband loves this when in the kitchen he loves using it for dosas, uttapam, chila. I prefer using this cast iron dosa tawa over any other tawa available in the market because of the restaurant style quality it achieves at home. I know and agree cast iron cookware sometimes becomes overwhelming because of the maintenance it requires, but trust me, once you get a hold of it, it becomes very easy to season it and it does the job really well and it acts as a non-stick. You just have to season it every now and then and it becomes very easy. This is a pre-seasoned dosa tawa, so you do not have to season it immediately. But it's best if you keep seasoning it every couple of months to prevent it from rusting and also to have its non-stick effect. Believe it or not, the cast iron utensils are for a lifetime if you maintain it well. If you are a dosa nerd like us, I strongly recommend you use dosa tawa from Meyer. Another product I love using in my kitchen are these two non-stick pans. It is a non-stick? Yes. I know. There's a lot of hype around using non-stick pans. The peel gets soft, it gets into your food, making it toxic and all of that. I agree. But let me tell you how to use a non-stick pan to make your food even healthier. Using non-stick helps us to make our food with minimal oil, making it healthier and tasty. So I use this non-stick pan for making my pancakes, uttapam, stir fries for 2 or breakfast or lunch or meals for 1 or 2 people. If I have a family or gathering at home, I love using this non-stick pan for making noodles, pasta, sauces and everything else, and it does the job very easier and I suggest you to use a silicone spatula like this and not the metal spoon so that the life of your non-stick pan increases and the coating does not peel off easily. You use a non-stick pan with a premium coating so that the coating does not peel off and get in your food. So I use these non-stick pans from Meyer and it comes with an induction base so that you can use it on any cooktop and also it is dishwasher safe and oven safe. In my family, we all love eating love using these two utensils, the one with Peetal and another with Claypot. I love using this Claypot for bringing out the most delicious earthy flavors in my cooking. I use it for making bangan ka bharta, aloo bangan and such delicious dishes in it. And also I love using this Peetal one for making slow cooked dal makani, slow cooked sarson ka saag and also biryanis and whatnot. So these are the cookwares that I love using from time to time. Trust me, these are not a must-have, but if you love cooking like me, then I would definitely suggest having such abundant pots and more to bring out the most famous Indian dishes. The another product that I love using in my kitchen is this grill pan. I tell you it's not a must-have, but I tell you why I love using it and why you should have it. The size of the pan is really good, which allows me to cook various sandwiches at a time, so that one does not have to wait for another. And we love to eat as a family together, so it allows me to cook 2 or 4 sandwiches at a time. It gives beautiful lines charred with my paneer sticks, which I added on the side of a bowl, rice bowl or paneer stick with the ramen. So we love eating such food, some gourmet food along with the regular one that we eat. So this is the kind of product that you don't use it often or daily, but yeah, you can have it and enjoy cooking in this. So if you all love my product recommendations, I would suggest you to register your email ID on Pots and Pans website. They come up with different coupons on festivals and other occasions, so you can use them and buy your cookware and make your kitchen a happy place. Do not forget to use my code WRINKLE15 and get an additional 15% on their website. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. I'll give you all the details and links of my products and different cookwares that I showed you in the description, so you can check it out and buy them if